Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. The question is the value of the limit x tends to half. In the numerator we have integration cos square pi t dt from half to x, and denominator we have e to the power 2x by 2 minus e into x squared plus 1 by 4. Now this is of the 0 by 0 form. Now by L'Hopital, we'll differentiate the numerator and denominator both with respect to x. So on differentiating, that is applying L'Hopital rule, we get limit x tends to half cos squared pi x by e to the power 2x minus 2ex. Now this is again 0 by 0 form. So applying L'Hopital once again, we get minus 2 cos pi x into sin pi x into pi by 2 e to the power 2x minus 2e. Now this is again 0 by 0 form. That is, when you put x is equal to half, you will get the numerator and denominator both to be 0. Now applying L'Hopital once again, we get limit x tends to half minus 2 pi squared cos 2 pi x by 4 e to the power 2x. So this is equal to 2 pi squared by 4e, that is pi squared by 2e. So the correct option is option C. The next question is the number of distinct eigenvalues of the matrix is. So this matrix is equal to, if I perform the row operations, R2 equals R2 minus R1, R3 equals R3 minus R1, R4 equals R4 minus R1, I get this to be 1 1 1 1, and the rest all rows have 0 as their elements. So let this matrix be A. So now to find the eigenvalues, A minus lambda I is equal to 0, where I is unitary matrix, we get 1 minus lambda 0 0 0, 0 minus lambda 0 0, 0 0 minus lambda and 0, and 0 0 0 minus lambda to be equal to 0. So from here we get lambda is equal to 1 0 0 0. So we get 3 zeros and 1 1. So the distinct values are 1 and 0. We have only two distinct values. So the correct option is option B.